Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a Google group so that you can use it to invite your students in Google Classroom, Google Calendar, and also send them emails through that group email. So first, you're going to go to the Apps Launcher or Google Apps Launcher and then look for groups. Now, the next thing that you need to do is click on Create Group and then put in a group name. The group email will actually follow the group name. Okay, so if you can make it unique, that's better. Once you're done, you click on Next. And then you can actually choose the privacy settings. Since I'm only going to use this to invite students to Google Classroom and then Google Calendar, and as well as send reminders through email, I don't want them to be able to view the conversations, and I don't want them to post as well. There can only be one group owner because if you add another teacher as a group owner or manager and use the group email to invite them in class or an event in the Google Calendar, those teachers will get invited as well. Once you're done, click Next to add the group members. Then click on Create Group. This window will appear stating that your group has already been created. The group email address is here on top. Click on Go to Group and then go to Members. You can see the settings here and then you can adjust the settings. Now by default, posting for student accounts are not allowed. So even if they use the group email and then send emails to the group, the members will not be receiving anything at all. That's it from me. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.